Hello everyone, my name is Big Macintosh, no Scott Kabai. I'm here with some Man vs. Machine gameplay late, because I just got done failing a creepy pasta, which I will be doing later. Somehow. I don't know. I'll be doing it somehow. Right, there will be a creepy pasta, don't worry. Like I promised before, there will be and always will be a creepy pasta at some point. So, yeah. I'm in a random TF2 game, and sorry for the sound because I was attempting to record a what's it called, the fucking creepypasta video. I failed, so I need to wait until the next round to keep the turn the sound back on. Which is almost done. Shit. Fuck you. Fuck you. Nope, nope, fuck. Okay. Don't worry, it will be sound. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Wait. I'll be doing a TF2 creepypasta, of course. And, 4-episode... Oh, like, 4-episode, like, people... I will try to get people. If it doesn't work, I'll be trying to do it by myself. I don't know. A few people... I'll get some people on, definitely, but not all. I will be doing a 4-episode scary gaming, so don't worry. Fuck. So, yeah, if you're looking forward to that, you're gonna get it tomorrow. Like I think at 7. It's 7 tomorrow. Yes, if I can get some people. If it doesn't work at 7, people don't want to work it at 7. I'll do it later. I don't know. Depends. Oh shit! Power out! Power out! Fuck you. Yeah. Alright, just let me get my Udi. I only turn the audio because I don't like the game. I just want to punch myself.
Thank you, Doctor.
If you want me to do some interview with my friends, I will. I'll record it one time because I was doing it before. After I didn't record it, I didn't feel like it. It was a busy day. I was doing a lot of stuff, preparing for the video, getting games so I can start it. As you know, people gotta start somewhere. So yeah. Shit.
Let us move. Who is not ready?
So yeah, the 4-episode I'll be doing definitely SCP. I will be doing. Fuck, I will be doing, I think, Dream of the Blood Moon, yes. And I will be doing Homesick. Homesick, I do not looking forward to do. I don't really, but I want to. Whatever makes you guys happy, I'll do it. Because I'm doing this especially for you guys. I mean, why not? The fuck is this? I don't know if it's from a TV show somewhere, but that's mine right there.
The robots are here.
That dirty pyro.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Help me,
1.
please. Hi. Ounce. Oh. Ooh, I got the huts. Oh shit! Fire out! Fire out! Oh shit! I got that's suck. Come on! Oh shit! Fuck off! If you're playing, use this thing because it has faster swinging and has more launches of fucking critical chances than an Uber Saw. Oh shit! Oh, that's a big boy. That's a big boy. Where's the pyro at? Ow! Fuck you, buddy. Yep. Ow, fuck! Fuck you! Ah, I ran into that fucking missile. That's how stupid I am, apparently. Oh, I thought I used those. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, the TF2 creepypasta will be the next episode. I don't know. That'll be all for today. I am Big Macintosh, no Scott Combine, and see you later, my fellow bronies.